Unleash your inner storyteller and bring your visions to life with Sora 2, making video creation effortless and exciting for everyone. To begin your video creation journey, simply locate and click the Create New Video button prominently displayed on your Sora 2 dashboard. This is your gateway to a world of visual expression. The heart of Sora 2 lies in its intuitive text-to-video generation. Enter a clear, descriptive prompt detailing your desired scene. Think of it like telling a story to the AI. Be specific about characters, actions, and the environment. Once your prompt is set, explore the style options. Sora 2 offers a range of predefined styles to instantly achieve a desired aesthetic. Experiment with cinematic for dramatic flair, animation for playful looks, or documentary for a realistic feel. After generation, you'll have a fantastic starting point from here. Fine-tune your creation. Many aspects are adjustable. You can subtly alter the playback speed, enhance the vibrancy with color adjustments, or even refine the overall mood. Elevate your video further by adding text overlays. Choose from a variety of fonts and apply simple, engaging animations like a gentle fade-in or a subtle slide to convey your message effectively. Sound is crucial. Sora 2 provides access to a library of royalty-free music to perfectly complement your visuals. Browse through genres and moods, and then effortlessly drag and drop your chosen track onto the timeline to set the sonic tone. When your masterpiece is complete, it's time to share it with the world. Select your preferred export quality and format, and then hit the export button. Sora 2 handles the rendering, ensuring a high-quality output ready for any platform. And just like that, you've transformed your ideas into compelling video content with Sora 2. Start creating today and unlock your visual storytelling potential.